Well, early in-person and absentee voting kicks off today. Iowa voters can cast their ballot for the November election, though they may notice these materials are offered in English only.
Yeah, that's right, Stephanie. Despite a Latino advocacy group's attempt, Iowans will only see their ballots in English, though they say this hurdle didn't deter them from providing assistance to Spanish-speaking voters in Iowa.
This June, the League of Latin American Citizens won the battle in district court, sealing the right to have voting materials in Spanish when needed. Shortly after, Iowa Attorney General Brenna Bird stated she is working to reverse the court's decision.
We are appealing the district court's decision to protect election integrity and to uphold our English Language Reaffirmation Act here in Iowa.
The Iowa English Language Reformation Act was signed into law in 2002 and mandated English as the state's official language for all documents, including voter registration, ballots, and more. LULAC saying this appeal has put a halt on help from our state government, forcing the organization to take matters in their own hands.
We're going to be working on printing that material. We're going to go to the federal site to print up the voter registration form. In addition, we're going to have to print up instructions that are germane to here to Iowa.
In addition to offering translation assistance to over 55,000 Spanish-speaking Iowa voters, LULAC's also advocating for bilingual polling workers to be priority hires.
There's nothing to stop them from hiring people who are bilingual, who can speak another language, who can be helpful on a temporary basis.
Due to a voter law that was enacted in 2021, it's harder to assist Iowans once they receive their ballot.
And unlike before, we cannot pick up the absentee ballot form once it's sent to them. So there's more communication that needs to be done there.
As for an update to the appeal, we reached out to Brenna Bird's office and didn't receive a response, though LULAC says they aren't dragging their feet on this issue.
We're looking forward to winning our case in court once it gets there to the state Supreme Court.
And if you or someone you know is in need of help with the English translation of these ballots, LULAC says you can reach them and find their number and contact information on their website.
Appreciate that. All right, Larissa, thank you.